have a look at these biscotti di mandorla. Absolutely delicious. You can taste the liqueur of the amaretto. Look at that. With a nice liqueur of amaretto or coffee. They keep really well in an airtight container, and if you've got visitors coming, you can share them with a lovely cup of coffee. Isn't this absolutely, have a look at the inside, nice and soft and morbido, which is nice, soft. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I would love for you to be part of my community. Biscotti di mandorla con amaretti. Ciao, arrivederci.